Hello students, today we will study about washing soda, which is another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride. Washing soda is sodium carbonate containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Now what is water of crystallization? The water molecules which are a part of the crystal itself are the water of crystallization. That means these water molecules are contained inside the crystal itself. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate and its chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. Sodium carbonate, which does not contain any water of crystallization, is called anhydrous sodium carbonate and its formula will be Na2CO3. It is commonly known as soda ash. Let us see how washing soda can be prepared on large scale. Washing soda is produced from sodium chloride in the following 3 steps. When brine is reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide, then we have studied this already, we will obtain sodium bicarbonate. The sodium bicarbonate formed is only slightly soluble in water, so it precipitates out as a solid. The next step would be this sodium bicarbonate, which is our baking soda, is separated by filtration. After it is filtered out, then we will keep it for drying, and after the baking soda is dried up, we will heat it. On heating, sodium bicarbonate will undergo thermal decomposition to form sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. The anhydrous sodium carbonate obtained here is what we call soda ash. The anhydrous sodium carbonate is then dissolved in water and it is recrystallized to get washing soda crystals containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Children, we will study about water of crystallization in the upcoming videos. Let us see some properties of washing soda. Washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid. It is one of the few metal carbonates which are soluble in water. The solution of washing soda in water is alkaline, which turns red litmus to blue. So this means that washing soda is a basic salt. The most important property of washing soda is that it has some detergent properties, or we can say it has some cleansing properties, because it can remove dirt and grease from dirty clothes. Washing soda attacks dirt and grease to form soluble products which are then washed away on rinsing with water. Let us now see some uses of washing soda. Now washing soda is used as a cleansing agent for domestic purposes like washing clothes. It is also used for removing permanent hardness of water. Now what is the meaning of permanent hardness? See children, cold water or normal water contain calcium or magnesium ions which can react with soap particles to form an insoluble product, due to which soap particles are unable to clean clothes effectively in this water. This water is termed as hard water, whereas the washing soda can effectively remove dirt in this water also, as their molecules will not react with the calcium or magnesium ions. We will study about this in great detail in the chapter Carbon and its compounds. The next use of washing soda is that It is used in manufacture of glass, soap and paper. It is also used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Now, borax has many uses such as removal of stain, killing of insects like ants, etc.